Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to center the title and apply some amazing formats to a table. First, we select a range from A1 to N1, and then click the Merge and Center option from Home tab. We do the same for row 2. Now, we select a range from A1, from A3, N3, and while holding the Control button, we do the same for A8, L, and 8. Now we go to Cell Style. Once the Styles gallery appear, we select the Heading 1 option, and then we click on the center. Next, we select the range from A6 to N6, and while holding the Control, we select the cells from A17 and 17. Now we go to Cell Styles and apply the total style. Next, we format the range from A19 to N19. Here, we select option Accent 1. Next, we format the range from A4 to N4, from A9 to N9, from A11 to N11. Now remember, it's important to hold the Control while doing this. Next, from A13 to N13, and finally, from A15 to N15. Now we go to Cell Styles and select Accent 20%. We do the same for the row 5, 10, 12, and 14. We hold the Control and select the rows. Once all the rows are selected, you can release the Control. Then we go to Cell Styles and select Accent 40%.